My engine light is on, and I know the reason why. I was getting like really bored at home, so I thought why not do this. छोटा मोटा आदमी बाइक लेके ट्रकों के बीच में कहाँ घुस गया. मेरा भारत महान. So today we will try to do that. Read all the signs which are there in the truck. I don't know what this is written in Kannada. King Karnataka State. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of annoyed today. Yeah, again the story with the engine light. Very simple actually. I just got it washed and it's due to moisture. $47 horsepower put in use. Recently I posted a video about rev matching. So many of you commented, try doing clutchless rev matching. I don't know how to do clutchless rev matching. Let's try it one more time. See, no clutch. Simple as that. But this is the actual fun. बस धीरे धीरे अंकल पीछे आ रहा है. You should not use footpaths. It's a path for your foot. Oh, wrong side. With high beam on. Legends. Yeah, this engine light is annoying me now. As we know, we have to overtake from the right. मज़ा तो आता है भाई क्लचलेस में. इतने धूप में नहीं रुकना है यार. I'll just stay here till the time ambulance goes. कोई खाली ही नहीं कर रहा है यार. See, that's the problem with this. If you're stuck in city traffic, your nitamb will pain. I don't know, Kannada may we call it tika, I think. Yeah, tika will start paining. My legs are getting boosted. Honestly. Seriously though, if you want to buy a GT 650 and this is how most of your travel or ride is gonna be, please don't get it. It runs hot, but it is fun too. So if I want to, I can overtake anyone. But is it really necessary? Oh, what is that? I definitely know it's a Porsche. I just don't know which one. And I have absolutely no problem going right behind it. Kidnapping, man. I'm so tired. I actually do not know how to end the video, honestly. Can I just put like a